Hey, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to linear equations, and we're going to be doing 4.2. I'm thinking at some point in time in that last video, 4.1, we lost our audio. So I'm not exactly sure why that happens. I don't know. I'll be glad when I can update my system here, get some better audio, be able to draw on the screen. That'll be nice. Okay, so we've got an equation, and we want to solve for r in this problem. Okay, we want to solve for r. Alright, so you should write this down and then pause the video and then go back and see if you've got the same thing I got. Okay, I think what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to rewrite this because we're going to be adding to it. And I noticed in the last problem I'm writing over the original equation, and sometimes it's hard. I try to use a different color to see what the original actually is. So the idea here is you need to get rid of this stuff down here in the bottom. Okay. So what number will 3 go into and 2 go into? The smallest number, and that looks like that'll probably be 6. And then of course r. One thing r will go into is r, right? And we are going to use a different color here. I think I've been using green, but how about we use orange this time? So 6r, so we're going to go through and multiply 6r, and of course the reason we're doing this is to get rid of these fractions. Alright, and now what do we got? Well, 3 goes into 6, 2 goes into 6, r goes into r. Actually, what we need to do is go ahead and rewrite this, don't we? Okay, so we got the r's are going to cancel out here, and 3, that'll be 2, be left with a 2 here, so that's going to be 4 plus, and then 2 goes into 6 3 times, of course that's a 1, so we're going to have 3r is equal to, and r goes into r, 1 time, that's going to cancel out, and then 6 times 4 is 24, plus, and 3 goes into 6 2 times, and so that looks like that's going to be 4 times 2 is 8r. Right, 8r. Okay, so what we want to do here is go ahead and take this 3r over to the right hand side, and we'll take that 24 over this way. So we have 4 minus 24 is equal to 8r minus 3r. And then of course we'll go ahead and simplify this down. Alright, and then multiply both sides by 1/5, so we can completely isolate that r. And if you don't mind, I'm going to write it like this. R is equal to, so 5 times 1/5 is 1, but I'm going to go ahead and write the r over here, okay? So we got negative 20 times 1/5, that's going to be negative 4. Negative 4. Alright. So we could say then that our solution set contains negative 4. Now, of course, we always need to go up and check that and plug that in and make sure the left side's equal to right side. Right. Okay, 4.2. We're over here at gotomath.com, and I'll see you in the next problem.